Hello friends, welcome to AARDHA. Standard disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Users are advised to use their own discretion or consult a certified financial advisor before making any decisions. So friends, today we are starting AARDHA phase 1 topic 1. In phase 1, we will go through personal banking and the first topic is types of banks and accounts in India. So in this video, we will see what are various types of banks available in India and what are various types of accounts so that you can choose what is necessary and relevant for you. Now let us see what are various types of banks in India. First of all, public sector banks. These are government owned banks and have wider reach and are trusted due to government banking. These are suitable for everyone, rural or salaried or even any individual. Examples are State Bank of India, Canara Bank, etc. Next type of banks are private banks. These are fast and digital first. These are suitable for urban users because these branches are available mainly in cities and towns. Very less branches available in villages. And also, these are suitable for professionals and highly educated people. Examples are HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, etc. Next type of banks are cooperative banks. These are local friendly, but we need to be careful with these banks because these are weakly regulated. So have an account here only if you are fully informed about the bank. Next type of banks, regional rural banks. These are government run for rural or agri goals. These are suitable for farmers, rural households, and rural shopkeepers, etc. Next type of banks are payment banks. These are based banks and no offline branches available as such. Doesn't provide any loans. These are useful for UPI users and basic digital needs. See examples are Geo Finance Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, etc. Next type of banks are small finance banks. These are small borrowers and MSMEs. These are useful for traders, small businesses. Next type of banks, foreign banks. These are international and urban focused banks. These are useful for NRIs, global clients. These are useful only if you deal with the people in the foreign country. Otherwise, these are not relevant to you. So now let's see what various types of bank accounts so that you can choose. First thing, savings account. This is basic account suggested for every individual. This is used for daily use. Also, amount here earns interest. Though interest is nominal, it is around 2 to 3% present in most of the banks. Some banks are offering higher interest also. See, key features include ATM, passbook, and mobile banking. These are suitable for salaried students and homemakers and any individual. Next type of account is salary account. These are given only to those individuals whose salary will be credited into the account. Here, no minimum balance is required. These are suitable for working professionals. Next type of account is current account. This is for business use. No interest is provided here for the amount in current account. But the benefit is high transaction limit is given, more check leaves are provided, etc. These are suitable for traders, shopkeepers, and NGOs. Next type of account, zero balance account. This is a type of savings account in which you need not maintain any zero balance. This is given to promote financial inclusion. Jan Dhan scheme launched by central government comes under this. Here also you will get features in a savings account like RuPay card and also most of the DBTs means direct benefit transfer. Benefits given by the central and state governments are credited to this account. This is suitable for rural or low income users. next type of account is fixed deposit and recurring deposit, FD or RD. These are locked accounts, means similar to savings and current account. You cannot withdraw money that easily. Here, for fixed tenure, amount will be locked in the account, but this offers compounding, and you will get good, relatively good interest like 6 to 8%. Present FD interests are around 6 to 8%. These are suitable for conservative users. Now, cooperative account. This is the account with cooperative bank. Here, risk of management exists. So, only with full knowledge have this account. Post office account is account with post office. This is manual account, low cost account. This is trusted due to government backing, but slow procedures as mostly manual records are exist. These are suitable for pensioner old age account holders as they are available rurally. Friends, I want to clear one confusion which exists across many account holders. Everyone know what is account number, right? This is the specific number tied to each saving or current account. This is the number you are using when you are depositing the money or withdrawing. I think everyone have clarity regarding this, but most of the general customers don't know what is CIF number. This is the CIF number. CIF means customer information file. This is customer ID. Customer ID. This is the unique ID linking all accounts in one bank. Means you may have savings account, you may have savings bank account, loans, FDRT, right? All these accounts will be linked to this customer ID so that bank can easily access your records. This is the CIF number. So I hope you got clarity regarding account number and CIF number. What is the difference? Now let's see whether it is better to have one account or two accounts. Friends, I recommend you to have two accounts because if you have one account, there may be risk of freezer, there may be some technical delay in the bank, server issues, right? So if you have two accounts, there will be safer fallback. You can use UPI across two banks, whichever is good works at that time. Also, you can have separate nominees, right? If you have two accounts, you can have two nominees for different accounts. Also, my tip: use one app for regular UPI transactions and all these. Keep other accounts safe for safety purpose with some balance, so that it is useful whenever you are stuck with one account, stuck with the other account. See, now let us see whether nominee is legal here or not. Nominee nomination facility is offered in the banks for all deposit accounts and locker, right? Nomination facility is offered for deposit accounts and lockers. But actually, nominee is trustee for convenience, not legal owner unless you have mentioned in will or unless they are your successors. But bank's role ends in giving the funds or whatever exists in locker to the nominee. So you should be careful with this. Legal heir can still claim the deposits, etc., after your death through succession law. So if you don't want any dispute, you can have a will so that a disputes doesn't occur after your death. Hope you got clarity regarding nominee and legal heir. Now let us see cautions one by one. Be careful with cooperative banks. Many banks failed in recent years. Example PMC Bank. Payment banks doesn't offer any loans. Also, the deposit limit is up to 2 lakhs only. Of course, if you deposit more than 2 lakhs, an FD will be opened with some other bank which is linked to this payment bank, and you will get good interest, no problem with it. Also, zero balance accounts will be auto closed if you don't use them. So please try to use them at least once in a while. Try to have some savings in the bank. Post office service is delayed due to manual process. Also, this nominee is not a legal owner, so sometimes disputes might arise. So be careful with this. Now let's see what are other recommendations. So very, very, very important recommendations. Please add a nominee to all your deposit and locker accounts for easy claim after death. See, now please check whether your older accounts has nominee or not. You can check it in deposit book or slip, whatever it may be. If it is not available in that, you can check with the bank. If it is not added, you need to add it immediately. Also, maintain two accounts. This reduces access freeze and app fraud risks, right? So also, banks are offering joint accounts for savings and fixed deposits, etc. So please use joint accounts if you have lump sum money. If you have more amount in savings RFD, please you can have it jointly with your spouse or kids so that it prevents legal battles after death. Also, inform family of details of your accounts, who is the nominee for which account, all this. This ensures smooth handling of funds. So, our final takeaway from this topic is choose your bank account not just for futures, but for safety, legal readiness, and digital risk planning. Now, let's see what is call to action. What are all the new learnings you have, or you may have some doubts or suggestions? Please let me know in the comment section so that I can respond to them. I hope you are getting at least few new learnings here. Also share the knowledge whatever is required with your family members, etc., so that you are informed about all these things, about nominee, about joint accounts and all this. Next week we will see what is savings bank account and various features. Thank you.